burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home in TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Casa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason perfect service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa. Anopano Nunkusi Anopanusia. Fawudani na share radins. Na erade beye.
Reverend Eddie Bixis no kwada mi ekwa so oye no say na motorize any na ba etu for me nya ne so this time class say mix am for nyuma you look at the latest song aba na oba reference point wo now there no so ye oya obeya na oni pakokwa ekwa nya pepepe ni je ya ni e ba be boa aya boy in fact in the area of medicine na no atemi stuff we ya omko ewem amko san mu ho aya no e don ko ye e no but it's a creativity, no, and the typical bibini. Eba use no sana fe ababa be overuse, but ababa enhance a friend say our production in terms of film animation. Shakobwa the same no yeah. We go for the animation near the day. I didn't cry far, but you say Osha. Now just look at the number of people I know what to do. How can you pay them?
But it's created. Who did say Pastor Kwame Champo? You didn't kasa earlier. No, also some medley of Joe Beecham, OJ, and there was another person I saw. Very interesting. And you different. No, me and Sana Bomuna was show Muntadie. No more cuts, no more. I couldn't permission there. So only moving so for every artist he uses music no only moving guitar like earlier post Reverend yours in contacting me I think way back last year I creating me picture now me share track suit yeah but I'm a track suit photo studio but he had a brave I sent a picture and then so he does that for seeking permission he talks to them and all it's very interesting. Yes. Anyway, and I'm happy to Uncle Fred. Only new generation, but we are blessed with what is going on. But there are some people of the generation now. If you are free,
so a science student.
Yes.
So while the science background there is about calculation, mathematics, or your design, senior architecture, so competing in basically the Canino. From Form 1 to Form 3, lecture all subjects. We go for Form 4 no. To be an area of strength.
Yeah.
To be Form 4, we choose science. And Form 4, acquire science, maybe will be defense.
Hey,
Prepare college, be defense our science.
Wow.
I think for pioneer more. Your home doctors will be a department tribunal Marco winner. Okoluda, the class be for baby. I'll be department.
And also do the
yes, so I mean your pet.
That's right.
You probably try to make medical school Germany. I wanted to go and be a pilot in the cabin to attend and before Ghana is Minya, Dive Coina, all is a chair. You could tell me. The meaning I say, never go ignore share as a full stage when you say, the man called Dow.
Wow.
Granafa for Ramponsano, could be that's what somebody know. Sabine, you know, found Santana, only now Baba and Dibra, and Jano too. It will family say it, yeah. We have branches and all.
That's right.
And the Kamango find out who. echo.
That's right.
I do push and one one way. They are good. Medicine maybe and then Zion Felix me trade Ivy or China. Now underground 2. Charlie, a cover 2 kilometers.
Wow.
I would descend. I could do the cocker. Yeah, claustrophobia. The only question they are waiting for. But when you say, come maybe you need to but come on, what do you say? The AI be a drone say AI.
Yeah.
Drone. I will go helicopter for you.
Yeah.
And the screen cases say, but we could do see, but for drone shots, to give you the clear 4K, 8K versions in that, or brother, who do the term or tell you the one, the new should be looking at Koyaba Betiato. AI has come.
Interesting. I just like the evolution because if we had behind it, once someone who be and
I'm the last time you can so simple message. The brightness of this day has given me the opportunity
to send you this message.
Peruse this. No, I will check out the audio cassette so as that money. And then we get twinkle of an eye.
Wow.
Come on, who's scientist? Who's science the chapter? Well, I think AI. It's a bias.
Yeah, that's true. Anyway, and see, I'm also near Shia.
Maybe kind a man for 4 years basis. Assignments, crowd, no, yeah, not almost all the AI and on my assignments. But Nancy want the same AI net the assignment. The same AI swabber and they check your assignments. These assignments now. One now to me at the wish be brave. And I said, yeah. Most of the times, you know, AI, not your which say AI ABC. In as much as everyone, you should be able to contribute to what you are doing.
Yeah.
But and yes, a woman you need to kind now a year the
Okay.
Because it is becoming too bad. Our system.
Wow.
Because every people because of AI, you know, even Juma ever born. You know, some ring your woman. So see you who say, "Yeah, man, you be and so."
Yeah.
You remember what they said,
Interesting what you say because almost the same that Pastor Kwame Champos to kind of say. And it shouldn't take over near William, but rather enhance and creativity should come to play because with the wrong information, never but one can with the right information. I mean, if you didn't with the right information, you will get the accurate now.
I would say AI, engine.
That's right.
Into the one what they near open shim. No, I'm on the open computer. You will be here for the garbage out.
Yeah.
So the garbage shim one, all a bit.
I like that. I'll go friend. AI. Now, in fact, as an engineer, how there was because how is it like for you?
Oh, AI they say start here too. And the service you can cry, come. Michael Jackson I accept. But some of the AI pack came to being around 4th to 1983. Brad, they feel the MIDI.
Yeah.
Musical instrument digital interface. If I keyboard, but I couldn't have the keyboard. They are connected.
Right.
Now we air green way there. We air green for video. So we started the Atari computer. Music. I ran me here drummer be our studio. Yeah, I'm about drums, keyboard is the bar. Now me sequence and then one cast to say, oh wow. But and then on my hands in the much say and then no. Whether they did two and you more baby yeah, and you no matter how slow, how fast, there was tempo for the 1-2 bars and not 3 bars, there was setting tempo. I mean matching and you know. our 2 days go every cry. I could find a check. I'm not to no more than
sisi so
pepe. Tell me, I am be a bar, you know. Only can say, now when you come about you, I know 2 is here. And from my friend is here, I say about 220 or something. And from my both 215 were for you. You the same from one echo. But say, from my book, Coberia, a pay. Room for quiet. Echo. It will now position no 2 sounds are the same. It's a Arab catch there, but or 2 other and then I can say Spanish in or 2 people. It's almost to now get a clone of certain people's voice. In fact, and no, I mean, already did, man. I mean, because they didn't find anything trigger was sending me read me about sukus, Makosa, the Ukrainian me and Numuno, and you money the papa.
Wow.
But we tell you, I'm say, because the harmonies, you know, they record. I'm going to say no 2 weeks. So, Obi, children are going to answer to the same. And you know, especially I want me a BVs, you know.
Okay.
Or 2-1. Yeah, soprano one. What can you say? And yet they say,
okay.
There's a little difference. Now panic or 2 I will say, actually, you know, a salary on your and a passing in a delivering vibrations and ever. It went to the Conga also. Mixing it 2 county, she will cry. Oh, if you go on the social media right now, Michael Jackson, epic movie by among us that. Digging into his past to see a name or now rap was shining in my friend human nature. Now quite a decoding to say you may you have between instruments now see the breath control and I didn't know and there's a breath because a Yamani eating from an too artificial. And in terms of the music industry in the Ukrainian, yes, the unemployment will be by the employment unemployment man said so be a bomb studio. No, but I'm a bomber on there. You know how to say, I say, yeah, no call if you choose to send in dynamics. But why the consumer doesn't care whether you use AI.
Exactly.
Do it. Try that buy yeah. With the AI and the version be Arabic part, them I would see out to the bones.
And look at the meetings the papa. I think I'm never for God and country.
It's me telling you, I'm just enjoying it. I don't care how it was made. But in the natural sense, if you go and perform it, how do you?
80 Uncle Fred, send me the AI. No, my quack record this way.
Oh, fine. There should be a balance. Element of life, performance, kakra womb, and kakra womb. Maybe all your mixes because they are mixes. The Friday be automated, and I'm a babexano. Oh, yeah, I'm also a reverend. Need more to it, mixes in a good man save, and they're talking AI. AI, artificial intelligence. Yeah. It's a baby, will be missing from at this environment. It's a crowd on Sebia, but international conference center, more order. Now listen to this very carefully. Yes, sir. I can't more order. That will be some another Juma. First, I don't acquire Johnny man, but my city said, but several settings this war. Set me cop now, be check, be measure, baby, mix and see if a paper with the yin so, and then considering the number of people, Baba. Almost I saw them. Some call now for in front to my baby, quoting a cheese sound on power. Wow. And I just say, Catarian, so I dispense out. Yeah, don't you win you? Yeah, it's not okay. Come on, somebody, I mean. Sompa FM. Yeah, the asphalt, you know, or the aboarding yaba be good equine, and I'm on your coin and co. Oh, what's the coin? Yes, it will be a bit for saying content. No, or the Ayana man for so we are. Then you become an influencer. Yeah. The problems are so your body can create or anyone does so. Sometimes people call me Uncle Fred. I want you to write an article about my song and answer their member. Let's try to home, they charge you. Sometimes don't let people know your sometimes don't let people know your value. Sometimes they be an charge you. What could catch a charger, David? Ruthy, Timothy, Yakoya, cut over Jimbe, 5,000. They'll say 2,000 per Jimmy. No, I beg you. It is sometimes the uncle for how you don't charge them. Bless me. And no, I chat to going to more. Could be my one, not what to say. Go, influential people more. When you're numbers, no, tell me, 75K. Any idea, be of course, Facebook. I don't want to go to more 75K. Apart from that, no, the people brave, follow me. They are not on the social media, there are a lot of people who follow here. It is all the BBI at their buy for an eyeball.
Yeah.
And I'm going to whoa, sending you pictures near many. They'll remember watch, but they will never like it.
Exactly.
It's more of his room. I Fred. I don't know the actual time now. You do so. I prefer I read the articles. The articles have changed my life. They company. It's the virtually, the kind of impact they amount for you. The TikTok, baby, wow. Only do a buga. My Tony might be brave for TikTok. Wait, yeah, the tomato means something who's all been a year. I find a number. Me, but like I said, last year, about 30% or 40% of the Vajman studio came from TikTok.
Wow.
They bought him store, let the bill or you can afford my fanwa. May present me buano or do not to or call him Bron to bar or a comfort and no more mutum, no more room, my bonus, zero ship. Now they are two. Through that, a beer quiet, there may be a lot of opportunities. It's all be our radio TV station. Once I don't hear a data.
That's
right. We're not teaching from and what tongue, penny airtime. Teaching from our TV. I think the good guys will Eddie. As I said, the idea now. When you're airtime, there are a lot of things that we can do. Would you be by my was afraid? I didn't hear their mom. It's the camp one. What is the camp one? And it's true. The camp one just said, nay. For the last month, a Dubai woman connect physical consider me show be virtual money when he is Canadian. Because back then it said, I be going to win one a the kinds of first mobile phone buy Jingle say, oh, mini Michael Smith around 1992, 91,
Wow.
No detail.
Okay.
So if you look at the mobile phone or at that time, never be doing. I saw do cry. Atom is focus space.
My friend is Timber.
Atom is focus space. Only the iPhone 17 is picture. And I said, what's the last version? 17. And I'm going to picture. It's you put away now. Cut TikTok or what? But your mom, you say, why are you? Sam Quine on your mono, they are twice, and I was on Quine.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. People, if you can, walk over your own Quine, I was Afro 7 year bar. There are a lot of opportunities.
Yeah.
One lady,
I go for Bohobio.
You say
because they are good points for up and coming. They will be all promoting
me. Music was my hobby. Sorry, I have never gone to any music school. Because sound engineering school be that all my life. But the impact I will make with JQ appear to go in. Because of my science background, it before anyway, keyboard, okay, and so sorry, Dominic. What do we be fast on anyway? Oh, to be fair, okay, so let me practice. Oh, say that here. So application. And your book keyboard to know my mom for chair car.
Yes, right.
Then you call whom your hand every.
That's right.
So TikTok already there. So I did be there are varieties of things and if I call everything to show before. Oh, Freddie, my
running up coupon tin any munchro. Running to 2 namo NCA. On fun young tour and shout touch them so. Now Radina coupon and fast city and shower flum. A Radima Mama Sonia Ding and Snewa Tamfo. A Radina coupon to 2 namo NCA. A Radima what you dump him. A Radina coupon to Tata Fanco to the Bion Rade. As if we hoa on one share, so a doko. Shall come to a bravo so. There's a bonny count, no how men to my die, or pin beto benkum, or pidu beto nifa. It didn't count what it would you when you want out of a shadow what going for a katia, a radian muti and torso, a radisha and torso, a radiabaso bo, and your abote, a radino chem, a radino catabo, a radino tipeja for, a radino tempia for, a radino retich for pa, and give you our shri, a radim fantomo, Bosumi wemu. Radima on Sriwati, Radima Wadansidie, Radima Nipanus on a wow.
There is something that makes me come into your presence, my helper, my helper.
Otis anyway, and not some delight there so. Memo, good afternoon. I did dance Sompa. Hey. Oh, DJ Rich Betma said, nay Tuesday, nay Abena. Me day. Okay, I feel Matthias here. Home next Sunday. Sorry, giddy. Oh, I define Pap. Me is also you define. Some of them are cultural. Time now best spend it dear bobo no patch flip is at you know flippy. Na fa di nyame hu komo na ma wani nje ma wo kra ni nje na wo be hu se nioma bedane ama wo ma okra ni di yawa na afei no aboto na nioma ko basa ma batuma eni je shek okra ni ma oh na bibia ye he gave me caliph ene abna me danie wow ni jibede na ye Sompa delight I have frequency no because I'm a boy na me yes style no so now who say yeah me sure bo madia true me na ko Facebook Sompa106.5Fm Accra Caps na ko hwe ne ko so Ababa wa so no fefe bi so ewura every team ni na I poised I so who said DJ Rich Betma is all opponents no na jila na e ma no backing e vocalist support bi ho hey ejuma na de Enti mejidi sebebia wo bia wo ho ye oh maminchia do the do she ho mete wo nka che mechia wo na Mama T Auntie Matilda oh Miami superstar Martha mechia mo nyina just one day mechia mo dance man was be kaidi ne papa bi ai enti wa woni mo ho mechia wate Auntie Adwanye and I have not to me for baby.
And so they are colors.
Yeah, who and you select because really no, and you win a non come deba. There be oh. But me, yes, I'm already now way back home, and then I'm a director foul. I say. And to chase a review cost and your ma siso alignment happen now my dear na atiesi yesu say sometime oh ha ka say me jidi na me jeme de fa exactly amen nampom to say eh sir
oh yeah
say glory no it is what person be kai so nya no susu no na de ba ntia eba pe meka ma kai eh enti ene ya ba sisa mami sound na mi mami sound oh mami sound
there when he sound
oh nia we ade na nse no yeah
and then the
yenya tna si na yede enije and ebro mo you know it the best social entertainment program in the city chese ebi ni baby a obehwehwe sa wo hu if na abekọ de be chere wed ne wed nam de ba no ai esa tongues Anu yezin. Just say, oh my goddess. Hey, me who say, my brother be a fight to rack up, Peter. Or see you tear den more fire. I until ye chia no ne sales team ni na ne. Ain't young call vocabs corner. Are you ready?
We are ready.
Ha, bag.
Baba.
Na de wetcha. Any day we try, yeah, producer here. Any day we try. Okay. So the word for today. The word for today. Me say as a tongues, but any tongues. A word. The word for today. Me are best spell it. My mom we are must spell it. Are you ready again?
We are ready.
Are you ready?
We are ready.
Oh yes, so we see they are ready. And see, spread satura.
Hey.
Sabi kai. Inti nya boche ma me spell. Me spell na me kind meaning na me chechi.
Type you know, and the leading me to
the
main pronunciation.
Okay.
Like the real one.
Okay.
So I typed spread. As in spread satura.
Okay.
It came all right, but it took
you to the actual.
Yeah.
When you're pronouncing, the first Z sounds T, and then the second Z is S. Into spread satura. And so now is ZZ. Okay, so let's do the meaning. Yenshe meaning, no?
Okay. Let's say it's pronounced sprezzatura. It's an Italian term originating from the 16th century that refers to a specific type of studied nonchalance. Hey! The art of making something difficult look easy.
That's right.
Effortlessly and natural.
Okay. And you know, so me then break it down. We'll study nonchalance, no, and then fashion application there. So let's go through it. And me my example. Obia oye public speaker. Oye public speaking. Na send your kasa no ne ate wom ni ade no. Ube ni ade no. Ube feel say enye de normally bibi e won ne ho. But we sua and na we hunu no de aye. Especially sometimes pastors obi to me kasa no aye ni mu kakraka. No aye ni to say osun. No aye to say the to be master the craft to be. And again, so when it comes to fashion, bibia eye mistake. But why ya me looky nice.
Okay.
So now a diagonal is a sort of fashion style. Into who can spread satura. Bibi sana they describe into such things. Into no ye person mu use. Into the yebe chechere mu ye na mu use. So when it comes to behavioral application, I'll say acting with confidence, grace and charm while concealing the hard work or anxiety behind the performance. So for instance, me a president, me kwa address the crowd be tension at shimmy. But minim said ye to me a kasa public. Into no me come kwa jina na majade ni nan me wunim sanya na
etie
enfifre te mata ade mu emma menim enti no ne spread satura sana describing, you know, I mean it's got to do with mannerisms, you know, bibia we ye no enti no mun use is open more a friend said description I wait to me you see say enum na ya che no say bia we hu bibi me fan say bia obi kwa design atare
we say it's about performing a complex task without looking like you are sweating or calculating your next move.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Enti na de na edin but wo akogina ho no why ne French mo bi ti ho say wow onimbra wa brene enti ne che say wo no what you have done why you with spread satura.
Okay, munyusu
mama
de juxtapose
exactly
enti munyusu na nesu eja
na unim ochina me the word that describe over anti adwa sawo na me the atefiti last week na me sha dey am the beba but me who say ochina me the be fine when you beje.
Okay, wow.
And today that is the word for today, spread satura. Oh, where did it? I have a flexicakra. I am a
munyusu.
I hope the understanding has gone down. Until I may try to extend it so that we will understand how to use it.
Okay.
Until studied nonchalance. studied nonchalance. I did just say, who say adie we just say was me creative ne se ne fata into no year one wise and so no naturally no and you like as in you are not like that, but you're able to study it and then make it happen. It's more of make believe. Into I can say you art mono. Yeah. More of make believe. Yeah. My what JD say until I drop on it now. So let me give you a good example. At the Albert now you want to me as straight as Antiacosiano spread satura.
Because our tax and tax as a waiting me about some pa.
Thank you. Wabi. You could nothing. One day Wabi to know. It's why I will spread satira. Okay. Spelling Nibium SPREZZATURA. But who pronounce it? I teeny S, double Z, no? I teeny S. Yeah. Into eja. Muyusu. All right. Yanti gon konsapasu.
Okay, so and then so there me story so.
Main flow.
Anyway, unse nra na me ka Sonibadu asem and I make asem linking to story be
okay
but time ti so call London no no da mountain so da man forecast money ade until say nyame eyi buafo break it through with sanyum baba no de ba na ebe hit.
Correct.
So Prophet Emmanuel J of Prayer Palace ebe 2 fubi and I'll say destiny helpers and as enkofo bi wo hono ma omoba wababo ma enye obia na engaging in a romantic relationship
na
one say ya o destiny helper bi bebo because obi wo ho a obo wababo mu for a particular assignment ebi at a moment bi uhia sa nipa no it could be sikasem, it could be spiritually it could be emotional needs, it could be a school bibi a wo hye business connection bi a uhia ne ade we won say we ko hie wo bi within emirates we bi na say nipa no wa be ye God sent bi o ko ye mistake na yo my dear fine you my
now danase
now mo de na dane komo oh na mpacho yo me da se ade na betom yo ene ka chen sam da na enkomo kakra no o test we didi wo he wa ba fie yo na me check up, what they checking up sana afa say afa what be develop some romantic feelings before the person na ye ne bete no 2-3 months na adane mprachi ubehu se ade kro na nipa ne ba ese obeye ne se onwie ya so on complete ya ida sa ade ne be stole ana say emma sokora
okay
enti no obe advice say we shouldn't turn everything into romantic relationships because bu awuhia na it will be best so obey wadanfo munya yesa mo twempena pe anade be ya ware wo say adena pascal
enti no question myself for enti di ori
I'm not for bisa questions
me wan question myself for do
I'm not for bisa questions so for any adwuma nyame nya di opese woye because there are some two who come into your life as we would term it destiny helpers who in disguise are partners it be your husbands it be your wives
true
intino eno so no obeying
ampa question no
question
family question to
it's another son obeying because obey ye na eja You might not know.
For questions.
You might not know. Send it pano you kunu. So you be a crying. You make cry. I said that the bear me. And now obey your bawa brabum say oh what brache. Into one compliment you na enyama entimi and you will see it.
Ebi ana eno no say.
Ebi anso na enwa.
Empa bona na wo say obona nyami chire said near oh yeah, but what in the national bomb pie, the end of the
minion adjumay.
And no, and only the who share sending also at the air pamayan, who share Ocasobetis Animasia Charlie. Only Najuma Yanka, but yes, I bear quadro, and Jumay. Yes, I say bear quadro, Eja. There was a contribution because I was saying, sure, yeah, dear, now as a contribution, and memoir, and Nimu. What I say? Internet was saying yes, yeah, no more so you
Nasa Boaz say, or Boa Ruthy baby. At the end of the day, I in a buy.
No, internet bit, sir. Why? I don't know, okay, you a bit, sir, a bit, sir. Anyway, my question and I are the other way around. Say, Samaya crado pa, some percent me share me who can not be saba may a day. Into no, I said, and now quite baby now, I'm the other side. I mean, long and short, we should just be sensitive to the spirit. Because as I see, dear. And you may be a CB and they see who wants to see assassin so. Right. Yeah. Into no, so we nim, sanet, yeah. Into no, Ubayero, who say, Ubeki count, Ubeki count, whom shit. Send a bear, bar, Ubete, ne home pupoye. Na I'm fat, baby, fufra, a monte. And this for moi. I mean, we need to be sensitive. That's the whole thing.
Oh,
yeah. We need to be sensitive because sometimes I to me can't some ne nyankropon e ma message. Oh yeah. Akora ketwa. Enti no me fa in some ankora di eka ni agro. Debi. Omo spirit dey fresh sir. Enti nebi wo hobe to me aka bibi o ka pe me dwen hu tutu. Okay, the agro, but I'm dreaming tutu. Because you're penny for that, you're busy.
Yeah, things.
I was always sensitive to your environment. Another thing too, I do. I mean, when I'm doing something, now who say be a new market campus, so it be a my pie baby, my SMS, helping my alert. Then I know, say. There's something I need to be sensitive towards, and yes, I did a bella pammy.
Because I thought they didn't me bofro. Hey, to me, you can get to a point where you don't even know, say,
we are now,
and I imagine.
Exactly.
Is it the Holy Spirit or is it my mind? Because there are times utimi koda. Maybe your person dream bibi. Won't say a jeno. Na afaha na wura ha na said when you bibi I said and you are like is it my mind ma jane and me kasa na say ye me home na me kasa yeah
I didn't home was a bit I mean I believe it boils down to spending time with God, like spending time in his presence. So see my sheep know my voice and they hear me say o tenena say abribia o kasa obeti. So, Mauna, I mean, and that's not to say maybe I will quite show them, but in your closet, having that personal relationship with him, if it's absent, you won't be brave. No, we are sitting there to say, like I said, everything plays up in the spirit before it happens in the physical. Bonu, Papo, yeah. Accident, good things, everything plays out in the spirit before it comes to the natural. Until once you tilt towards the spirit a little, or for the better, no more, it helps. Into questions today,
you might be a bomb pie and so why empire because and one solution. Because one way, what commiss who knew I come so yere
because yes, I don't want destiny helper. Oh, but to be sister Obehu because a cha you know something. I mean, life in the spirit is amazing. Tilted towards spirit now. Ubehu kakra se wan sunda ebia obi be kan sembia e be click bi you know there's some things ebia na happen da but enti esiewie no o jini kwa echira eminimu neba let's see if I'm fan chame
pe eyi box back
I didn't know.
Yeah.
I mean, so where was I? Have you seen? Hey, Daisy.
Who say Eboboba, you might not.
Eboboba, exactly.
I
didn't see you now. Then you will get to know. You realize, so this day this happened. This day this person said this. Oh, this period of time. No, this person did this. No one was saying, I mean, God is just amazing.
Yeah, it's true.
God is amazing. So let's lean towards the Spirit. You know. Hallelujah.
So, amen. Let me move to my next.
Someone preaching. Only on Sompa tonight, so Yanko.
Anyway, say your brother Joe Metal.
Yeah.
Wabawe out of a TGM menu. You know, Neo can say this is a schema. You know, the stress of those who think you deserve it, those who don't think you deserve it.
Yeah.
The noise. And komo aside no cry or say ono na say bia obu no wajibi and over the years na nyina ye nim the impact even cry award ya wonya yi anye bi cry no esuti na ko baby
that's right
that's right e ontimi enka say award na enye papa ana e bia e ho hia no but o say ono no personally e won a life mu wo say see no where he has gotten to he just need the quiet or pebebia no stress to say boko
or yen ministry
or yen juma or yen ministry or ninyame on pair distraction, that's the word, on pair any form of distraction be I said na mu say je okon na na mabruchi what was there BP han me say mushe Charlie
that's what so you see I think it is best for him. I think it is best like the best thing that would ever happen to Nikaria, baby, I wait do no. Banyanza for papa. You see, if you look at Jobeto ne trajectory now, baby, you feel near there now, be who say, intentional about the growth, about the ministry, about everything, all industry name no. Kakra it is a Monsieur Banyanza for cause was singing I mean I remember him right from a Osha say Okopie sowiness after some time in fact hiatus nyabe baby after some time on a joyful way so kwa ye nyumbi sana fe ohunu say eduru mere a mia mepie ono abaye ene ototo nkofo nyom ne ade ye de ba hye na ne ade ba hye ne branda abrante no abuilde nyame adom owie kra no nim say enyom to ame to say nti no minya in fact ne studio ni po de dada
yes
my rehearsal wo hwa abre dada nti no odea na fi wa graduate ade na if time appear crew cry no mo back bata ne ho ne ade I mean they still do stuff and all that. You can see that this is a beautiful journey by a gentleman who knows where he's going. And so for him to say at this time say or bow out of this scheme no me too chemano it's okay. Uncle some build because when ya dino when ya clout no when ya nimpano and everything where can he not go
exactly
at this time no award no at this time rather no omu na say baby wa all build ya kona wa yere ne ha kono omu tumi e de omu ho bata na ebeboa nti no you should know your journey where you're going and then just focus. Now unyame bata hona wutie ne na candidate. So I so agree with him.
I think say you said it on tino. Unse nipa nkasa na enye say bi oye jo metal nti. But etoda ni pesa wote wo ho kakra. You have to set yourself apart.
Yeah.
The chaos, the noise, the distractions. Etoda what mu say adwene mu no. And your madoso do.
That's right.
That's right. Say even say one kasa and not necessarily say be a two quine kwashe bi po bi so anako ye we ba
hiatus bi ma wo
exactly say e fie kra na e fie bia ejuma mu kra na betimi age off bi say leave bi na obeje
what I retreat ne ade
even just reminiscing na what like You need it.
You need it.
I said, no, why you're refreshed to be.
Thank you. Uba fresh. Like, I drink you're fresh. Now, new ideas, new flow, new idea.
Yeah. And when I was watching the video now,
okay.
No, so, Senka, Bia, all the time, no, on your access to baby say serenity, quiet, no me soon like nature.
Can you creativity in the
oh my goodness! Or say I would have written a lot of songs here.
You know.
Now they say, oh, and it's true.
It's true.
It's true.
I think that holidays here near there,
vacations
you know,
near there.
Those of the West, no. Those of the West don't move in their crowd. Vacation family.
I remember sometime be me mbonyum to nini but Ghanaian gospel lady.
Okay.
In some bebre by it. I mean, the space was so chaotic. And a sister inyo na ochina na say yo. Ain't you know means so na me follow no pa.
Okay.
And I notice say na opese ochre say ni nipa keka dede ni ade no onte.
Okay.
Ain't me koso aye medjuma, but you see affecting no in delivery in a sense say me boni pandis ya be hu asema ameke ube hu say enyomo a ode ba record like what you say no there be mpk honhom no ko
and almost Sompa delight nemra
but onya edru baby no no hu say I have to me call back kakra. Yes. Into your call back no. I'll call utum so to na kasa no so we twa so what so.
Okay.
Penny baby etina afi or bar back no. Utum say.
Na fa.
Oh, this is the person we know.
Why revived.
Enti eboa pa.
Why rejuvenated.
Yeah, what you are saying. So that's it for Joe Metal. I think we will respect his decision.
Oh yeah,
it's a good thing. Now, mami fa we ntwem na eja.
I
want say black series or not. I love language in a propaganda mano. Hey, asamo. What's the nonsense when? Love language. Yeah, every hey. Says Yonya Sylvia, we didn't come back a Caribbean persona or love language yet.
I'll go for your shantra. Oh, Jazzy for you. Nankasasa we pull back to Nacho.
Me love language.
Obi Connie counseling and I Busan is answer and seven no. I street language.
I street language.
Wow.
It's all over the place. And I made a words of affirmation. Made a gifts. International nipa kono wo hie nipa na se nipa no man gift ha chese nipa na nye wa blacklist wo na adwuma na me kan so kra bia na nipa ne kra correct person o
no aso wonim sa anamonto yi de wo de ani so okohwa wo beti Udi wani gani kotusu a ubeti se omunim a omuntie
hey it was on the mobi and fasa de ne man so and I love language and at the bay and I say but eja be dey see de ye womuni
me agency for the
no but I think in a way bia na mre bi atwam na wo ho ba na enim ye nteme no. Now we've not coined any name that for it.
So you because see, love language there is a term like I was saying. But usually, on Kofuni, obi prepare career. Now kita hundie no. Then your counselor will tell you. So you need to know each other's love language. Very necessary. So they have obehunia a money panel eteke. Aha. But you find street as say I just I wish you be just also you know and you find street in common and say number 4 that they are street in common.
They are street in common. Into your shower. You share near her.
I was there near her.
2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. Ya 2 months. You heard that guy way. Hey. Na so the other crocra on customer order lunch kora ma wana bibi. Say delivery guy need now gate 2 months. Wunye bi da massacre. Let's say you really get to ukura. You want to really
era de moye man.
Era de moye. Hey, basa die we.
It's not an easy thing.
not an easy thing. It's not an easy thing. My mommy fancy has.
Anyway, so talking about Black Sheriff, no, yeah, hit it TGM. It's Saturday we never so.
Of course, I think
what are the chances to they won't moving back to Grand Arena. I saw the circular, no, yeah. Okay, and Black Sheriff, what are the chances to say?
Well,
Busa love language as a
me say, me dear, even though artist of the year, no, okay. I mean, yeah, Bompa say gospel for me, best I Fabio. I mean, no two ways, and
yes, and they was if I was but won't vote here, Mr. Voting,
but I think Black Sheriff, me dear, I feel we know. Man said them. I mean the year under review, no. Okay. Man said them. Juma kesi be as compared to.
Now when they share.
I mean when they share. Oh yeah. My ready. I'm ready for her. I mean if when the share takes artist of the year, I feel we poor. Me in Kameni Beji. Because it's high time. It's high time. Because I say. Yakana shache yakana ache eno no kra nye na dia and tell you say nkanyo no kra ngu apeni baby afa. Yes, because when from her journey nyame fa eboni kransi is our time lady shas yes yes and wo ba be copy no and wo person wo nanti woni shoes mu and they but I mean look at where when the share has gotten to now ain't you know at least I'm hoping so be winnie bibi. Yes.
Yeah, honestly, and I good old day. Saturday was some friends categories. In fact, honestly, I know I'm voting. Okay. I know I'm voting. I done Hamilton send the information. Say, oh, we can vote in the whole. Yeah. I mean, who's was send there? So I know I need to make click here, and I'm voting. Anyway, in Tibacha, I won't vote here, but more than vote. I not artist of the year. Medium vote my Diana Hamilton.
Of course. But maybe I do my channel or subsequent days, no. Yeah, and I say program you be review.
That's right.
Now, yes, said you know is if you're quite because Nkomobi wo hodmo anka organizers ne omo scheme no. Okay. We want them to look at. Okay. There are some people etoda nipa no nyese bia waje adwuma ne ye but they have to find the balance. Yeah. Na intimi create opening bin so not to say bia nipa na ye adwuma kra ye relegating into baby no. So when your program new year, we'll come and deal with
Sister, it. Sister, okay. You, but me who baby? Anyway, I say. Me don't I see now. Me fa Sakwenye so and that Lexter Company Limited. I say producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. I no so yasne. You don't must say papa. Everything for me try me who abasisia. Na me ba. Hey, so what kai. In fact, that is the etiquette. So what kind etiquette? I intimate baby.
Expect siatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene fa ne siatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. Enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so. Wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. That's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special. Local Ghana have bia womutimi servo. Hajia special. Local food upese ofra. Eye 024 63 59921. 024 63 59921. And answer 059 479 7215. Eye 059 479 7215. For not with them.
Eh me do. Edra no pa wutimi to wo boase. Etwitwi wusi o. Do. Na so nim se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima me nya homka. Senti na ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfin fem me biem
na won hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese
enti na wo say gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham.
Oh yes, and Crotrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, a Buzian Chamfa.
Sawo pedudu tu e won kan ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and then the brush abedwa so abeboy.
Tontonte, yanum sani e fadwen.
Near Fadwen mpa, say na nim se brebi beba, ama tontina 74, upa ya simple. T74 abeyedru.
Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so. Se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74. Se menum tontina 74 menya hodin. Menum ne dabia.
T74 yi hahama ene yede aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kamasa no. T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa.
Woko pharmacy ana baby eto nwo bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato.
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu.
Eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesatikwambo.
Oyunyakupondi for Wastrano Ewe Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home a TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Casa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Sompa First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi Efiada Anopa. Anopa no Nunkusi Anopa no Sia. Fawodani na share radens. Na erade beye.
Now Jesus, they make me fine. Oh, yeah, mommy, ya fino. Mama Helena Rabbles, ya fino, papa. Sompa delight crew nina say a omo chiao, especially me DJ Rich Bitmice. Hey, or say. Unyumukunu just say nano enwana wasisa no bonisa story because akaka only say see this thing na crowd gas or to go to meeting. Auntie Helena, I call you mommy, and you know this afternoon we are loving on you. It's Sompa delight. And you know, enjoy. I know so Ubaga now I may ye PHS so near around. And check and see Effie Sompa delight crew and now if I Sompa FM Accra yet shall mama I but a special one from DJ Rich Bitmice man can one who I name so major. Na etiquette time do so. Obibeka, are you ready? Auntie Melissa. Mama Master. You make customize also senior because when they may ye we pacha to say adum hey tuntum say yo oh obi ni se broni wow Enti bibia ye boko. Ni awfre. O twin sister.
Me twin sister is Tabekwe. No ye nyame ado michiano.
Na also for ne in fact, I also me wow. Because we say baba.
Prophet Emmanuel Perry Apple.
Okay.
Mrs. Priscilla Perry Apple more prevailing ministries.
Okay.
Ochiomo. Na mechia with your phone in say omuti.
I say Ubadia in the course of the week na ya go for ye new kasa no maka no mo sia etiquette no near dear easy. No echo making impact.
Etiquette we unima obe feel say
enye bibia ane
but ehu hia pa because non-verbal communication e can same bebre when you akwenya bie wano ankasa oneye ebe kasa ama.
That's true and again won say opportunities there ebo obi wo ha na ote ha ochine bi no na adane
won say opportunity mama kan sem ebi akwa na say we your passport o twentwen so ana akwenya bia ba say o tu kwan na afi ukotuetu eska kese saso na etiquette wo ho no weninda and so na performing na a push wako baby nti ebeba now you prepared da
because we sanity
sa pepepe
that's nti last week you know only ye share na in fact David me nya buche na me church amanfo ni fa me be kom na usa disua na me prepare ko do coast of for to say
nyame adom koyi
and I make up for so
ye kremu chiche
sister Abraham is going to be
Mate wadama Mate pa.
So makeup no is attached to a salon.
Yes, okay. Salon ewo La Paz.
Oh right.
Las Palmas Chihuahua.
Oh right.
Abby's girls.
Oh wow. Wow.
Omu bo edwuma denden de Abraham me te ha.
Wow. Oh, and then was I in the catcher anti akusa ne ba ne
ye twitwi ne ma bi won ye smoothie ne.
Anyway, you're doing well. Eradi ensha unsano adwuma nyina na sa ye aduane ka ho. It's all good. So, travel etiquette. Sani ya share last week no na ye twaso na me because we ani me kwa meto ka mo enu na hu hia me enti no my recap kakra na afi yenko enko moso
yes it's a set of polite behaviors just say suben bia chiyo
ule kan ye ko na me twi na papa sa
suben bia da form boko
okay na di buo so kan polite na che say wo bu hu na wo bu afo so hey mama me award na makatri no
any cultural norms and this respectful practices bia afufro mo baby enyen ho no nti yenka so bi ma so ana so bi kro so a omo expect say ye beda na di nti omo hwe say ye beda suban bi di abra yakọ srahwe ana say yakọ for business ana bibia
okay say nkofo bi wo baby a senia ube fa wo hu I mean ube behave among them ama omehu say ubu amamre ni ade unim say cultural norms wo kenya na me bu omti wa hwe ni twi awurade
amba wo
en na fa amamre ni ba nti na wo say me busim
eno anu na share ho ena ye ka say involve ebia wontare shame wo kasa ni suban a obedi di abra wa call public place eho nti ye born tofa ye be kan say all about behaving respectfully and say responsibly abra wa call obi ma so enye wa o environment awunim nti ne tofa pa no and I buy importance so obi be kasa den na hu hia say me travel to say say tickets you mu pi into obi be kasa na mefa table etiquette me fa travel etiquette
yes why I
because they here ne say matna kama meju me destination enough but abra wo tna kam a enye wonko say wow private car now de kwa utrinkwa but where obi for air joining wa so practice travel etiquette I try say now woni onua kono a otika no mo be comfortable and as mo journey no e be smooth nti ye can say the kind equity first impression
okay
what take am unim nyo oteben wo uni wenya akwanya so church ni mu wase ti say nipa ban wo ye
hey
mayira wo
mayira me okay wenya untumi nche na usu ni wo ban se ne awotie
ba wo ni ye bi na
afera me dia
enti oni ye
enti
me say maya kwenya ma afoforo a omuka ye ho eti ehu nipa ban ayeye
okay abra yen kasa
ya no kasa enti wo bon say oti kam oni ye bi ebe cho nya ko say oh asome so obuade o ye polite o ye raba wo hu nti wo tene nchen a o ye comfortable
that's right
nti equity positive impression
okay
and avoid unnecessary trouble so na me kan trouble bi wo ha ehu hia say wo bekom cause ukom kwa wakoma to yim ebi wo so a wunnim
that's right
and abofum they say ignorance of the law is no excuse nti say minim no yemfa ka asem so na minim ti fa che me there be emra ne ubedi nti problems bi wo ho a eboa yem ma ye escape sa problems and preserve destinations
okay
to say baby I'll be call ye be so aha yen tutumura aha unu say country bi wo kwa unti ntefie uti ntefie eti omuma na unam baby amewa me pese mebodin wo bete kor afa na ebe yi na kase efie na yato nipa san ukọ utukwan eko baby yen ntefie a
that's right nti wo say uhunu
baby ko a wo no mo social norms no na we di so na unnecessary problems yi amba wo so
okay
and I can say avoid damage to historical sites say na last week here kan no maybe o kasa wo ko holy trip and you can say
Mecca a pilgrimage okay
say
na mo ko nan say
ko bi and as a religious group bi ahye say e bi am ko bible mu
okay
site bi e wo ho
that's right
o kwa Christians no kwan wo ho say o sesaniema basa knowledge no wo now they call ebia yenuanom Muslims for her want me fa ha maniche so say ukọ hwane stones no ho na o de bia be fie na o de abeye point of contact unya ye kra no ho be cho cause ho kra no time ho a wo de unsa ebe so stone enso ya eni kwan say uso
very interesting obia ne de
and a weekend ni say we ni be for mu di omo afahye
okay
na me share na me share wo TikTok yi so na me share around 8 sa omo che omo groups fekeke na group around 8 an omo ko che aboa ne baaye na me say ye obi man so anka na o share comment section you see aboa yi so we any pepper soup bi na beko na
ashisha ne destination
obi taste aboa no kwa we hunu basa so de ko obi man so a be chill unse part of country be cat no dog so mudi.
Okay.
Ukwa obi man so a cat no dog obi krewu eja well ema ne cat ne ne dog. Into more respect wildlife pa into ukodi aboy bi a eni kwan so odi a. Ho acho no. Into pacho I say yes and so pa. Na yes say a show respect for culture.
Okay.
Ye na nanum enyema o mahisha to ho. Amaye no. Ewo eduane ye bedi hu sabi untimi nko ye nuanom muslim fo mu enka so okoto pork nti ne se na ubechi pachan ne se na ubechi ampo nche bi wo ha eso u kuntum echia ebi wo kwa se woda uyim so echia wan yesa na wakumem de unim sa wuchi onyu akone fa na wanye sa position a ene anka wenchi anka ye nti we nya wusua uhu se aha mekwa ha mechie sei
that's right
aha me di aduane we aha me dress sei bia u dressing kwa se wo kata wo ho kakra udija baby kaka sei bia o shokra de wa watu emra
ni ha obi suspect mi eja baby a je say ni ne ojani ko na ne ade
from our shoe na
say allowed where they are but obi so honde
okay nti uye we nia no ebia timemufo no omuhu say oh udi omumra so a eboa ma easy interactions
okay
or you open so no be kasa ebe bon komo na ebia ukotia omumra bia already we impression first exactly and I was sure ne say no nti omum empese omune obe kasapi and I say they interact with you nti ye nsa no hia mo a hefa na obeko and I reflect wo ne baby a wo free ba
okay
nti informally no wabaye representative of home country
okay
yen sha wodie but unnam na udi Ghana na say bia Accra edin kofa say yemu pi wo ha ye ni nkofo ana say culture bi mu relate ye but ye group yom cause obi akasem obi ni omo enya encounter na ankoyamom no ka say o bia asumesi foi de omo to say ye groupi mu nia
that's true
nti ema wo ye representative of either our country and our town
okay
and a preventing misunderstanding menye osemeye but what's your masi a udi omo mraso a wentwi bi emba
okay
and also so eboa wo self development tembia wo usuade
I said my uncle ba could be just one day oh that not buy your can some send your ocean I mean he talked about his background and then he told us say ocean your one kasa decided say obesia until just one day me chow
Inti esanso promote safety.
Okay.
The any kwansa wo ye no. Wanya ebon ho ban. Ebia te say aboa de yi say. Na eso koche wakoche aboa bi. Na eso wo jaso bon kwan na police for kokoko. Ahoche aba.
Ankwan na bo wenu abrabo papa
na say uko baby kra na omu ye rowdy kakra I'm sure na ye de yensa keka wa sena enipa say
before cry
ye de yensa be keka ebedu ono na we pray we ina ensure professionalism to say bi awoko o trip bi na a business trip udi etiquette so a train o professionalism award to say unim de chi
and I said we are dear ne kwan so I mean
ne kwan so and I ba
your money
juice no
okay
ye can say patrol uju se bus stop na wo twen wo ka patrol de uju achia utna se so a bag no en fancy seat tia also and I won't senya obi ba enkweti impression say ebia
obi ti akonwa ne so
occupied and baby nti pacho yemfa yem back sento seat no so na buying from window no
because you animeko no
on say so wo ba na wan beto window side na wotna mfimfin a
okay
aya wo pese auto ade a wo be sre de o ti window side ne say wo sre no wo betimi ato enye say asome si genital we mame wo hu ba wo be sre ne say obetimi anase hana onto we man in a polite way.
So already no buy watch ya.
Wait watch ya no.
So we na accuracy your call no dey that.
Nti na we be sign in a polite way. Na yen mu a yet na say yen intimi nka yen sre embo mu no. Bon say na obi wo ho person feel comfortable to the sense say we be ni name na put pressure.
Sitting room so na wo car mu.
Utia one seat. Now what na see be on name said that o pressure so next person so ebi no ono kwa ni mu nyedru se na wo so mu yedru na ono so bre ontimi nka obi wo de obeka obi wo so ontimi nka nti ne sa no na o de o inconvenience you ni akon
that's right
nti patro yes na say we should keep our legs closed ebi o kana ye na ho atin fifiri say shorts bi na ye share anase skirt bi na ye share in fifiri ne ebi ana yare ewo na kotachi obi skin.
That's right.
And also spreading niema
so the whole idea of etiquette ne say nia wo be hu na che se wo bu hu no e bu amanfo na mo mai comfortable so there was a shedding so to yen next one no
na ye to inwa okay window side fra what to inwa ato afa window ma to form say me was station nti kan nyen to yenti obi wako obeja to kanim nti mpacho say yenwa say station a ye betima sere mate no ebi anaka nyen to ye ye betima sere mate so obetimi dey ato be ni mu amayena na say ye kanim so a say yentimi hold on you dey say you rubber bia na bibia yen fan shame
okay
na say we will see a bus stop be available ho na bins eso wo ho a aso na wo dey shame na say woot na trotro man na taxi mu na wo sa so yen egum na wo so awutim e kan sempi
enti se mato ebro na nkatin so wo say no mo dis rapper no e show nti mi yi a o se dey me fa
so no kwa a good example some fam the auto free no ho no
e bia na
okọ apacho obema rubber black fashion
so mommy rubber black na me dey
wo di shame say mate now e bia na station na wa sent obetimi dey to ben mama wa ba ma yen drop na bra yeso yetikan wo ya obefufo beye dako ye be ya ma bole pian yesi fom aba ye tia lo ai cause we ya meye obi so beye
na fe
na ehipi ajiz sanitation company bi
obi oto nche wanye comfortable why bibi
sa ansha na yemfa se koko bi ko obi anum wanum enwie wogya so uba ye wotiem wotiem a splash ebi na watare a wo hye so wo de ko baby
na aha
wa ha oni akono ebi akwana wo so wesi akọ benu ye wechi asem ntenye ye obi be kana asem insultations ye pa obaji biansan aha nti ye hu sane ye be kra rubbish e wo kam na phone calls
last week me kai pa na o kan
ye wo kam na ye kan ye secret enya de ye kunu maye ye mpre bi aye na skebi kra ba oka scan kra ba no o se emesi wo next junction obi ni we si ebia wa ma we hu se odi we chi kra wa hwe wo fie
that's right
oginachi so we hu se wo wura fie we mu information ya anajo no o mebe sraw ntim patcho yeti kam mu a
me ni enkomo
e ma ye ndi enkomo won say ebe ye okay so we bia Auntie Ruthy mitikam mami 2 minutes and 30 minutes mi see a patcho me frel
okay
no one hang up fefefe
okay
na afi na ye be bonchire mu dia e be ha adwen nso ebi mu ha mo left anti Abena afi na obehwe TikTok akese videos na wa bossri hehe asemi na ebi awuso na drive masanso abo she
odi be kire okra
okamu say your social media na ye bie volume no say your earpiece and headphones okay but say ya na tra afofo TV no enye advisable
okay enye correct
patronity so what true man na when ma yen phones no ni phone calls no e ma yen have wo calm
okay
ena ho em say na ye wie last week
okay
nti this week there no patron say your food true e be advisable say you benya smaller denominations yen fan say wo call a baby for the first time unim fan na patron bomode anya insesan ketwa
and so etiquette as
patron because the lead to it na etiquette
that's right
e bia na wo besi wo baby mate ni nyansesa wo so am anka nche mate so mate patron mi sika so abra offer wona na yeju wo bus stop no e den tokwa beba na ale na woni nsesa wo so say ale na so na woni nketwa hwan fault na tram no pam no nini ansu ntwa no o say 1 cedi 50 pesos when you 1 cedi 50 pesos na kasa wo de ama no asem so echa nti patrol aya all the time yenya smaller denominations na ya fe na ye be kire yen tokwa dibre ni ya hoodin na metrew wo nti entokwa pi wo trotro mu a avoidable
ye be to me avoidable na dey na person to
asemu twi ye bet me che ye juba
e bet me aya emma so like e bet me ni amanfo
ebe nti enyeme pi wo ma because won entokwesi wo kan nim wonnim ne oti eteben na ena wonnim me na wo saye nkasa no na mechrew na woni mate na ekon nyanto bo ase o ebia hwan na wo insisa wo kan ana say mate mini enketwa into uju film station ya patchombo mode anesesa communication oni akona akasa wate ne ho ase wo so wate ne ho ase nti to prevent back and forth no aya yankasa as passengers no yenya smaller denominations wa seju se omo jiji scanner amfa ntokwa amma ena paying on time once bi wo ha ye beka so echiofo ne yeye ne baako
nye line by line afọ so
echiofo so ne yeye ne baako so unye ready ye eba ne sa de ojije echiofo de no waje ewie ode abeni munkwa ode afi na osan so be kire ne nsa nti nsa na ekọ nsa na eba
okay
oji wechi ode mamate oji wechi ode mamate ha drink kaka because ono enye na said no boa no boa
okay
nti be polite enough what say say time aso say ye be tuatua sika na patro aya yemboa nini ano na yemfa mani pa baako na wa pass no on na ye say afei na yaji sika no ebia oni akono so ni buefu we nim ho so onje a wo be kire won sane sabio empedifo udidi afa cheme wa motuomi na wo ti won satenten de fufa nkofon hwea no e de akoma mate no we nim ho acho ye ne sa emboa yen ti say edu se na ye tua scanner we should yentu on time say scanner enye ready wo de enye ready wo so pacho montwe na me family enka ho na yemfa emma
unim say etiquette ya dibia say wonim and I say to me phone him like a group of people omunima e de asumdwe
me say entoka pi wo hwa wo
ade anka ye betumi a prevent yem
Kevin me asa no man ka And to come to you, you bet my son.
That's true. NT 0260 1960 because some of the things, you're taking it for granted.
Yeah.
You're taking it for granted.
And when you say it's so you would feel say when I in the right. But if you are now ukwana waiting.
Sir.
But when you mean ukoswa na ukochire match and kofo say and then me fukana asem when they see ye wo hu.
Me patro me emfa calling. Hello.
Sompa.
Hey, delight. Yeah, Mawakwaba. Auntie Martha. Annie. Your friend.
Mabena.
Oh, Mabena. Is that what she said? Wow. Any mini abna. Eh, only Martha near. Yeah, Mawakwaba pa. Aha. Etiquette there call saying.
Ekoye kwa mbele cheho kwa yemi define se mo ke na me foto Accra demonstration na otada diari traffic ni na ba te se na pa ta mu te na 6 pm e dia me du penu na majasta ntonde na dokoni me ko mo wa to na mo into no baby feel not that thing. Stop, I know to do anything. Oh, what I said, what is not there? I guess so. The doctor forces would it be and I said, I can't to one, so the traffic money by one from the piano.
Matias, Matias, and you are no. Aha, into Buana Mammy. Or say, I was not maybe by 6. No name said traffic near the day to be do fear not the answer. Into what told Doctor No Mekobino, when you're Jane, who's the end chain?
Auntie Mabna, yeah, that's a panel or question.
Voice now the top of Panady, machine voice, Anna. My child is I'm doing count.
Hey, try, sir. Why evangelist engage you home, never boy.
The wife say, or try to near work on, or at the end of the natural.
Oh, Mamma, fetch me. We fetch your catcher.
Danoka and Tiana Seminole. Yeah, no, I did not want. You didn't live out who are the not near the and Chia. Babu Plaka, Paka French young. Now, yeah, and I'm a phone about the dream French. Oh, now I'm begging up and it's Oko ya ko ju so ko tete panyu bi ti wa na obi na wa nche se uchom oko na se wa hu anda uso ko se pa ne se the fact that we have some CDI
now we ti kwa edudu
oh it is so na se ni pan to woni mu no aha edu de Bible say ntia e bo kwan that problem se ne kan
that's right
ntia bo kwan
that's right
you know ntia ma ye hu ni pe su a oye eni obu ade
that's right
ni aba no ne nche no last week the menti but then all can say can do or ba last the can make him now say nyame ama ni bi pa nyame sha no
amen amen evangelist ya da se papa fa aha enti evangelist asema kan no especially wako show bi wo baby na we show bi hu wenchi ana no wako du ho na nipa ni ho awurade
won se na o check ya unsa no
okay yen san fa kola enti patcho first question no hu hia mabna de no hello.
Hello, Auntie Abena, Pacho, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yema wakwaba.
Pacho, wapo me?
Nyami adum Pacho also
Yanko pardon me pa.
Good.
Onya papa just one day.
Ti mehu. Ene mama shout out. Ndi mehu dida. Aha, inti etiquette na. I was how my evangelist lessons. All right. Inti etiquette no echo saying.
Oh, and etiquette no dey fact. They say they boy me pa. That's all no. That is the issue me nya ho find me wife. Echo program bi kakra.
Okay.
ye nya trans na na mkate mo wa se meba o se impa na me ko na mkate mse meba na mko check baby a washroom no one
okay
ana no wa se ti ya ba ya na o so na mte mko check asa na me hu baby e wo because baby a washroom no work or check ko bi che because sometimes washroom bi on mo mo kire wa o be ko fa na ya tun for her ticket no say at the baby I get say mo say was there who baby a washroom when you say na o hwehwe na wo bi service ani no so aboa me ma we ko baby a first of all me ko hwe baby e wo
sharp
and then so at the piano to and you see about etiquette about
travel
transport ni ma no
that's right
uye passenger na o ko car na o nim say to be nominated in this car everyone say o ko car na what calculate ni the me the taxi na me kita na pato litini afu ana the mate no ka ono aka ka say for dia fine obi tini afu but mate nka je say o baby obi si o tu we ni haya mi nyan se sandia fine ana tena ya sika ke no o say baby aye nya smaller denomination so me be ya ye short we na ye you know enko hard because meaning a parting jacket dia matremu because of obi say a delay ya ko pa so mate
you see
Inketo ana ebili omo mu ko ejuma so tika no na ebili it na tre wo addition we mu no ye share bibi fi mu say ni say ye ko be na a short distance ya ye mbo mo di na ye smaller denomination
that's right
that's right how obi enko to obi time ana mo ro ba no so omo so no akesefo no o trake mu na o so na o ni o so a eno ani de o hwe na ka no ma ye ma cars with the one ma obetini atremu because if mu one ma osun na wata ko through bi osun ke na keto ana ewu mu na fi
na kwai na ye ma okay minim say point ne wo hosa enti say be e wo say ye 4 on a seat a wo mu mienu no mutena so no na aye less nti wo say ye hwe ne nyina anyway say na eja body ni de nyame na de ama mu nti wo say omususo mu kra ne na way a ebe benefit o mo anyway just one day Matthias na fe
sometimes obi fell na nipa no hwe na business ana nie me bi o better no anto je so wo ti say pacho me tike mu
sa pepe Where's
no ma fi no beta na we ni see abi mu kwa no kwa ama wa ye fed up kwa wa
yeah enti enwa ye nyina ye nsia
no na ye no so ebe boy
amen o sha so
wo program no ye ni sia de pa wo
mate ye da se so se also wo hoda usia
Friday no maybe boys ni nya to opa
no amen o sha so pa
Friday jama ko no be ba na
meka me de betu dwa so nim say ye de ye no eyi grand style nti me de betu dwa wa nti ye be kasa
because Friday no they are leading Ghana when jama ko no ba no nie ma kan nya no kra because me nya wo kwan and the Omuko support to Ghana way no back on fact.
Okay.
Say enzymes in fact, Okoba, who I would say, what dream why you refresh.
That's right.
Because what got to me when on the way almost here, all African days in your own point for training. That group, no,
okay, new day. Mate. Pepe. Amen. Just one day, me da say nyame hira wo so pa. My answer map na question no. Ye be ne ya be just one day ye da say. Wakasa a lot. I mean, waka about so many things. Since ye answer map na question no say come de me na say makotena card nim na nim say time a me de be do me fie no kwan wa menyende.
Acho mesemwa medekuku who na meka no
fine can different languages
na say unhu say ni braba my ndidi wo kam hwe say we obi a wote hunhun mase a ubon say eduane ye baby a nkofu nyaw
portal a gateway
me da say me nya ni twi ni nti me hu agaka so obi kura de nani ehwe weduane ensem pii ban ye obi ana ejidi nti me nko deep but aside say udidi wo kam a spiritual side na ye wrong no physically no ebi ana smell no
obi
endi mbua obi ebi ana painful bit kan na wudi na sulfate ida so obefe egu kan ma na say obehye kwan wo betwen no nso nti pacho eduane se ye di wo kan mu mbua either say ube take fruits wo feel say too later uju fia the fruits kakra ne fada but say wo didi wo kan mu de mesramo e wo two sides
chinam ne me meko bi na na say wa che bi ama wo so ma poto e wo rubber ni na matia no ketekete na me fifini kakra ana go be we about mixing
and you be an epo obi aduane smell unim say smell aduane smell quite me ma nkofo kai omoya obi ebiana ne last time we di some meal no oni ne dofu bi a sabi we free mu na aba
ana say we breaking the heart
won na fe wo tika ma wo di there wo show we fun no obi di ahreho nso ntimi nka ncho nti pacho say wo be ye comfortable ni di obetine ote nchen so
I comfortable that's the whole idea
men didi wo kam obi hwe obi kwe didi wo kam mu e de ne nse pie window na no e ho ne nsa e ho ne nsa aba
kaniko
utin kwampo se kani jina no ho ne nsa ye de nyame ase na ka na emuvi a na nsu fama yi bon nsu ye egudie
other people
debi ebiana de ebo nsu no gu no o ferifo bi a na obi a wa sport wa when bie na no anka ncho one man impression bi a enye anything to write home about see me patrol see ye didi wo kam die no
Mr. Wrap up and mommy na ye beto aso say travel tickets ni ye cry into ye beto aso into no dey wrap up and mommy we dey mesemo pa nyembo modern na yensua travel etiquette no say travel etiquette cry usua ebi wo ha ema se unya impact bi ana accident bi sia ema wumpra wo kan nini aye travel etiquette because we hu your man no
patrai usua ni ya eyi wo free or how pi mu se na ye kan ni importance no the fact say na wunnim say eye crime men kan say ana say tumra no eno nche say aban san so mu a ube fa ho edidi
ube fa ho
edi thank you
sabi so menya ube fa ho edidi say no
ube fa ho edidi
ube fa ho edidi pa Auntie Melissa
mo yade and say I go abuaje madam hana michia oyade
enti yeda say na wo buy na no ye be check travel etiquette yesua bebre nyabi show na Abby's girls salon for near chia Solid Coast store for so me for happy birthday and to Jana Fe and sorry so Anissa. Happy birthday to Elder Vincent Pozar, the Church of Pentecost, Abeka Central Assembly. Or say God bless you and make you great. Na a day or see me somebody be na pussy okay, Mimi can Pozar may broflize it and say happy birthday to Elder Vincent Pozar. The Church of Pentecost, Abeka Central Assembly. Na Elder Jerry C. Elder, God bless you and make you great. Aye. Na second one is also Effie, Systematic Press. Was Sompa FM and Sompa TV. Honeba. Or say happy birthday to a beautiful friend of mine. your friend no Ajua Nines. Na beautiful friend I also had Ajua Nines. Aish. Or your nursing student ewo UENR Sunyane. Auntie Ajua Nines. Systematic Press say happy birthday. Etefo aha ena yedi besie meda obi biase meda mi team say oh elder one Jerry Nyamin show Osikaish DJ Richmond Spice Nyankro for oh show papa Lady Jill on Prophetess and them dia so Nyamin shows on the to internet so any center guesting Nyami on shamopa Auntie Ajwa me say na where da me dey ba na describe it and to Auntie Ajwa dey na Auntie Ajwa I describe it Auntie Ajwa until you're ready